On three, Evo. 1, 2, 3. All right. Supra. 1, 2, 3. We gonna do it again. Evo again on 3, 2, 3. Damn. Sir, are you okay? You? Yeah, you good? All right. At the same time. 1, 2, 3. Let's go! If you guys now follow the fast 4 streets and keep up with our builds, all right. Give it up for the Supra! The Evo! Oh man! Hold on. All right, no more. Turn them off. You're leaking. He's leaking. All right. Give it up for the Supra! Evo! All right. I think it's a unanimous decision. Give it up for the Evo, guys. That's our 2-step queen. She's the winner. She could not be here today. Damn. She went so hard it just blew something.